It's about time we made some jerk chicken. First, start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Take chicken that is washed and dry and season with the dry ingredients, soy sauce, and oil. If you're using wings, you should fold over the tips so that the wings cook evenly. Place all the chicken in a bowl, cover with some plastic wrap, and allow it to marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. After the coals are ready, place your chicken on the grill and allow them to cook for 8 minutes per side. After 8 minutes are done, flip the chicken to the other side and repeat the process. Next, you remove them from the grill and put them in a foil pan or a baking dish. You're going to pour about 1 cup of boiling water on the chicken, cover with the foil, and place in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. After the 25 minutes are over, it's time to make the sauce. Combine the ketchup, molasses, honey, and dry seasonings in a pot. The chicken would have produced stock in the 25 minutes of cooking, so pour off this stock into the mixture. Stir it up and place it on the stove top to thicken. While the sauce is on the stove top thickening, you're going to place the chicken back in the oven uncovered at around 325 degrees. In about 8 minutes, the sauce should be thick. At this point, you can take your chicken out of the oven, sauce them, and they're actually ready to serve right now. However, I like to put them back in the oven, back at 375 degrees, just for a few more minutes so the sauce and the chicken can get gooey and sticky. I love this method because you end up with a juicy barbecue style chicken that still has the smoky jerk chicken flavor. And the barbecue sauce made from the jerk chicken stock is on point. It's the best thing about a jerk chicken and the barbecue chicken combined. Try it out. It's Barbe jerk.